We're super excited about our latest review. Our business is built on the satisfaction of others, so when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. Now we're sharing it with you. It's obvious that great experiences like this always make us smile, knowing that everyone is happy is our strongest motivation. We believe that our future success comes from our success today, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services sometime soon. So whether you're somebody brand new or you've been through our doors before, we would like the chance to make you happy. We're glad you had the chance to come and visit us today. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.